Good evening, guys. Welcome back to Post Market Report from Financial Independence Channel. So let's look at what happened to the market and what's the trade setup for tomorrow. So currently, SGX Nifty is 32 points higher, Dow Jones is 81 points down, and Nasdaq is close to 30 points higher. So coming to US market, the global cues like Delta variant and other few crude oil prices hike, all that is reflecting in the US market. And coming to our market, this Brent crude oil rise is actually good for the Indian economy, and that is actually reflecting that in the markets, which is a shadow for us. So tomorrow Nifty may again open with a flat to a mild gap up, because if you see Bank Nifty is very strong as of now. The key, I mean, like banking stocks like HDFC Bank, I'll say one by one. So Bank Nifty, HDFC Bank, it closed at 1503. You can see a hammer-like pattern formed today. So it has the supply chain, the supply area is exactly at 1520 to 1528 area, and currently it has at 1502. So close to 15 points it has on the upside. So there is huge room for it to move to the supply area. So that is one point number one. So when it moves 15 points, that will easily lift the Bank Nifty to another 300 to 500 points on the upside. One. ICC Bank, after making two consolidation days, it has closed above 700 today. So again, I am expecting this to move on the upside. To SBN. SBN yesterday, what I had said is it may take support around 428 to 428 area. Exactly, it closed at 430 today. Like it made a low of 432 today. Tomorrow, even if it is touching here, it may form a green candle because 50 days moving average is also there. It may take support and then it will start moving. Kotak Bank, Kotak Bank, you can see after making a long consolidation, it started to move up currently at 0.618 extension levels, which will pull the, push the market on the upside is zero point 0.4. Again, Axis Bank is again at the 88.6 extension levels, Fibonacci extension levels, and also at the 50 days moving average, which will push the market on the upside. IndusInd Bank, IndusInd Bank is also on the supply area, but after a consolidation fall again, it made a move on the upside. So all this is clearly denoting that Bank Nifty will move another 1000 points on the upside. So I'm expecting 36,500 to 37,000 in the coming weeks, maybe like 1 or 2 weeks, but it is very strong that it is the time for Bank Nifty to lift the market on the upside. So this is my personal view. Disclaimer, I may be wrong. So when Bank Nifty and HDFC Bank, all this moves on the upside, this will pull Nifty again on another 200 to 300 points on the upside, which will easily take away to 16,500 levels, which is also reflecting in the option chains. Because if you see option chain, there is a huge put rating happening on the support area, and also on the resistance area is getting extended. So yesterday we saw 16,400 is having a huge resistance. Today, the more 16,000 is having, 16,600 is having, 16,700. So the call writers are extending their call rating on the upper side, on the north side. So it means that market range is getting extended and it may blast anytime on the upside. So please be cautious. Please do your own diligence before taking any trades. And if you are getting into any strike prices, please be cautious with your quantities before jumping in. Please play according to the price action. So yesterday I clearly said if it falls to 16,180 or 16,200 levels, this will be considered as an opportunity for buying, buying opportunity. You can see even in the 15 minutes candle. Okay, I had deleted that. I can show you here. So it has completed. Okay, I'll show you separately. It has completed the harmonics level, which I said like it will fall close to 16,183. Today it has completed and that was again absorbed. Selling was absorbed and again it closed above 16,250 levels. Now if Bank Nifty starts moving on the upside, this will pull the Nifty also on the upper side. Coming to the other sectors today, TCS 12 points higher, Mindtree 30 points down, HCL Technologies, sorry, let me show the 1-day chart. Yeah, it is making a consolidation here, HCL Technology, in fee, again consolidation because it has already touched the higher levels. Now it is time for a consolidation and a small correction may happen. Tech Mahindra exactly at 1.618 extension levels. Consolidation will start from here. Emphasis. So exactly in IT, I mean like IT sector, sorry, the consolidation is going on. So please be cautious with your F or no options. Please don't jump in. Please check for the price action and then please buy on the supply area and sell at the buy at the demand area and sell at the supply area. So don't be aggressive on F1 options, especially on the IT sector. So coming to mid caps and small caps, both were down today, and you can see that Nifty Metals is also down. So I am expecting a smaller correction in Nifty Metals, but considering the infrastructure spends, we have to look again, revisit the same if there will be any major corrections, but a small correction will be on due, but it is like actually a consolidation happening on, not expecting a deeper correction. Anything below these levels should be considered as a panic area, but I don't think that will come because they're considering the infrastructure spends. You can see that realty sector, cement sector, everything is moving up. So this will help metals, again the commodity prices to go up. So now globally there is a fluctuation in commodities. So that is reflecting on the Nifty metals, but not a deeper correction is there. But a small correction may come on 50 PSU banks. What is that? Yeah, Nifty PSU. So we had seen the second video before 2 weeks. Anything above 2580 level should be considered as the level for the upper side. Again, it is getting resistance at 50 days moving average. I'm expecting this to above this, closing above this will pull. But again, tomorrow I'm expecting SBN to start moving on the upside. Once it takes support at 428, it will start moving on the upper side. Pharma today 15 points higher. I had given some few instructions for some of the stocks in Nifty Pharma in our group. Please follow the same. Please be cautious on the F1O side because considering the Nifty PE, it is currently at 26.51, which means that you have to choose your stocks before getting in or jumping in. So please choose your stocks wisely and carefully before taking any positions. So that's all, guys. Okay, I missed the FIDA data. FI today had bought for 211 crores and DA had sold for 716 crores. So FI is back to buying spree and DA is again into selling spree. So let's see for the tomorrow's market, but don't be too aggressive. Every day morning, wait for the price action and then please jump into any trades. Before that, taking any decisions will actually hit hard on your capitals. So please note all this and play carefully. So hope this information is useful, and if it is useful, please share and subscribe, guys. Thanks. Good night. Bye.